A person who knows everything, omniscient. Person who speaks less, reticent. One who believes in God, theist. A person who is above 100 years of age, centenarian. One who loves mankind, philanthropist. One who is unable to pay his debt is called insolvent. One who knows many languages, polyglot. One who is indifferent to pain or pleasure, stoic. One who looks on the bright side of the things, optimist. One who eats too much, glutton. People living at the same time, contemporaries. One who believes in fate is called fatalist. A person difficult to please, fastidious. Work for which no salary is paid, honorary. A thing no longer in use, obsolete. An office in high salary but no work, sinecure. One who loves books, bibliophile. One who cannot be corrected, incorrigible. Thanks for watching.